Hey everybody, welcome back to Dogs FPV. Today we got in the mail another box from Race Day Quad. And I ordered this back Father's Day, Black Friday sale that they were having on everything. And I want to do an unboxing for you today. I have another package coming in the mail. It should arrive on Monday. We'll do an unboxing on that as well and share that with you guys too. But I hope you guys have been enjoying my unboxings and some of my flight footage. I do this because I like doing it. I enjoy the hobby. I hope you've enjoyed the videos, and if you have, please support me. Hit that, hit that subscribe button definitely, and don't forget the little bell to get my next videos I put out, and hit that like button for me. I appreciate all the support I get from you guys. I hope you enjoy the videos, and look forward to doing more for you. So we'll go ahead and we'll get started here. Okay, let's go ahead and get this box opened up for everybody here. And see what we got here. Okay guys, here you have it. This is the new Iflight XL5 HD air unit from DJI. This has the FreeSky XM Plus receiver in it. It's a bind and fly. We'll go ahead and open up the box and see what's in it. Looks like we have the GPS and GPS rescue information here. This quad does have the GPS rescue mode on it. And we have two sets of the Joe 5140 props. We have the Iflight's wiring diagrams for the boards and everything that they have, which is always great to have. We have their little decal sheets. Always like the decals. And in this package here, what do we got? Go ahead and take this out. All right. Got a battery strap there, some more Iflight stickers, the small cabling for the boards. We have a pair of the DJI antennas. We have a couple of battery pads, the sticky pads. The nuts for the props, two receiver antenna tubes here. We also get the little nut plastic TPU for the antennas. We get the FPV camera protector TPU. We got some extra screws in here, 2 packs of extra screws, sorry, 3 packs of extra screws. And in this bag here, we have we furnished you with a USB cable. We got the DJI Air Unit book, a little manual here explaining everything about the DJI Air Unit. It's great to have. And now, for the quad itself. right, here we go, guys. That to me is one nice looking quad. All right, so what do we got here? We have a 250 millimeter wheelbase on this, 6 millimeter arms on these things, man. They got to be a beast. It'd be hard to break one of those. We got a 2 millimeter top plate, and we got a 2 millimeter bottom plate. The camera mounts on the side are 2.5 millimeter for your DJI air unit. In the back here, as you can see, I mean, we got the air unit in the back, a TPU mount on the very back for both your antennas, and we got the GPS locator on the back there. Up front, we got the DJI Air unit camera. It has plenty of tilt angle to it, as you can see. So, you know, for all your aggressive flyers out there, that should work pretty well. It has Zing 2208 1800 kV motors on them. They're really nice, very nice motors there. You can see that. Really smooth feeling. Got your nice Iflight battery strap on top. They've tucked everything away really nice on here. The stack on that is a Iflight Success DF7 stack with a 50 amp 4-in-1. Should work out pretty well for this. This is the 6S version. They have a 4S version as well. The Success DF7 comes with a 216 megahertz STM 32F722. It also comes with 2 ICM 2689 gyros ready for sensor fusion. It runs up to an 8S barometer, and it has a 32 meg black box. It has the Sussex 4-in-1 on this is a BL Heli 32, and it'll run up to 48 hertz on that. This comes factory with the plug and play DJI, and you just have to go into the beta flight, set up your GPS on the back of it. All right, there we go. We got the props set up on it. They're just temporary. They're not tightened down or anything, but put the antennas on the back and put our little antenna tubes on it. It is a very nice looking quad. Not sure what you guys think about it, but I really like it. It feels very, very durable with them 6 millimeter arms. Got a nice TPU camera protector on the front. We got some nice TPU skid plates on the bottom. Your TPU mount back here for your TBS if you want to run that. You got your GPS at the very back. You have to set that up in beta flight. And really nice setup. Everything's tucked away really nice. This is I bought this a bind and fly. So it is the FR Sky XM Plus receiver in it. We'll get that bound up to the Tyrannoskew X7 I have. And it's a nice mid-range flyer, long distance, mid-range type flyer in freestyle quad for sure. It's got some nice weight, so it should be really stable in the air. I definitely can't wait to get this thing out and show you guys what it can do and see what it'll do myself. I'm pretty impressed with it. It's built very well. Everything's tucked away nice. It's very well protected. But there you have it. The new Iflight Titan XL5 HD version DJI. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Leave your comments below what you think. If you already own one, let me know what you think about it. If you haven't owned one and want to get one, I hope this video helps you out in making a decision Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notifications to get our next video coming up. And we'll get this thing out and fly it here real soon, and get some flight footage on it, and I'll let you know my thoughts of how it flies, and you can see how it flies. Like I said, I am not a pro at reviewing, and I'm definitely not a freestyle pro pilot. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Till next time, happy flying, guys.